Welcome back to talk about Egypt's participation in TICAD, and especially concerning the Suez Canal Economic Zone. Very delighted in the TICAD 9, of course. Very delighted to be having with us live over the phone Dr. Heba Kaoud, a professor of economy. Good morning, Dr. Kaoud.
Good morning.
How are you doing? So, actually, the first economic participation in such an important conference in Japan. The Suez Canal Economic Zone is participating in TICAD. Of course, we all know that TICAD is a very important and a major platform for strengthening economic partnerships and commercial partnerships between world countries. So how do you assess this participation, and also exactly what could be the role of the Suez Canal Economic Zone when it comes to bringing Egypt or reflecting Egypt as an important spot on the map as a gate for Africa?
The Suez Canal Economic Zone's first participation in the TICAD conference is significant as it formally positions the zone as a key partner in the Japan-Africa economic relationship. It highlights Egypt's proactive strategy to move beyond its role as a transit hub and establish itself as a major manufacturing, logistics, and green.
Right. So Japan has a very serious and concerning eye over striking economic deals in Africa. Of course, Egypt is considered as a gateway. And hello? I guess we lost Dr. Kaoud. We're going to be retrieving her as soon as possible, as soon as she comes back online. As we were talking, the Suez Canal Economic Zone, it is considered one of the very much important spots on the economic map, even before TICAD. And that's why Japan, we retrieved Dr. Heba Kaoud. Good morning, Dr. Kaoud. Welcome back.
I'm back. I was just talking about Egypt's presence at TICAD enhances cooperation by offering a centralized, well-equipped platform for Japanese investment in Africa, by highlighting the Suez Canal Zone's infrastructure and incentives. Egypt presents a low-risk entry point for Japanese companies seeking to expand into the African market. This creates a triangular cooperation model where Japanese technology and capital combined with Egyptian infrastructure and a skilled workforce can produce goods and services for the African and European markets.
Right. Japan is, they're having their eyes set on Africa because Africa and the African countries are a good opportunity now for modern economy. We're talking not only Africa, the whole of Europe is having its eyes on Africa. Africa could promote diverse investment opportunities through the Suez Canal Economic Zone in terms of fields of green energy, industry, and logistics. If you like to elaborate.
Yes, sure. As you said, the Suez Canal Zone's delegation presented a variety of investment opportunities, particularly in green fuels, industry, and logistics. For the green energy, for example, projects focused on producing green hydrogen and green ammonia for ship bunkering, aligning with global decarbonization efforts. For the industrial development, the possibility of establishing a dedicated Japanese industrial zone within the Suez Canal Zone was a key talking point aimed at localizing industries like automotive manufacturing and water desalination. For the logistics, the development and operation of logistics hub and port infrastructure, such as the roll-on-roll-off terminal at East Port Said were highlighted to support efficient trade flows.
Right. We have seen that Prime Minister Mustafa Mbouli have witnessed the signing of memorandums of understanding between the two countries. That was on the sideline of the participation of TCAT conference in Tokyo. Talk to us about those memorandum of understandings and what could be the future outcome of those deals.
It will reflect the tangible outcomes of the conference. One, as you said, for the MOU, it will enhance the cooperation in the field of green hydrogen. Additional agreements were made with private Japanese firms such as Itosho and Orascom Construction for the development of green ammonia bunkering facilities. So I think instead of just passing through Japanese companies can utilize the Suez Canal zone to manufacture locally, reduce trade barriers, and optimize supply chains.
Right. So, in your own perception, how could Egypt, as a gateway to Africa, act as a bridge or a facilitator to be able to enhance partnerships between Asia and the rest of Africa?
There is implications for Egypt's global position. This step has significant implications for Egypt's position as a global investment and trade hub. It signals Egypt's shift towards a multi-faceted economic strategy that combines its geographical advantage with a focus on high-growth, sustainable sectors. By actively promoting the Suez Canal zones at a major international forum like TCAD, Egypt reinforces its reputation as a stable, forward-looking investment destination and a critical partner in global and regional supply chains. It strengthens Egypt's role as a bridge economy between different continents and a leader in Africa's development agenda.
Right. So we all know that the Suez Canal Economic Zone has been providing many opportunities. It's a strategic economic spot on the map, and also it has been facilitating many maritime economic partnerships at the same time. What exact projects or investment opportunities will the Suez Canal Economic Zone present to the Japanese and African partners at this time?
This participation can attract direct Japanese investment by clearly demonstrating the strategic advantages of the Suez Canal zone. These include prime location, its position at the crossroads of major international shipping routes, provides direct access to markets in Africa, Europe, and Asia. For attractive also incentives, the Suez Canal zone offers a competitive investment environment with streamlined procedures, one-stop shop services, and various tax and customs incentives. For the clean economy focus, Egypt ambitions to become a global leader in green hydrogen production resonates with Japan's own push for sustainable energy, creating a basis for significant partnerships.
So, how can this participation contribute to the fact that Japanese direct investments is going to flow into Egypt, and there could be some economic, some industrial, some other strategic economic partnerships between Egypt and Japan at the same time?
Yes, for Egypt it will lead to increased foreign direct investment, technology transfer, job creation, and the localization of advanced industries. It also solidifies Egypt's role as a major regional economic player.
So, what is the importance of activating the African Continental Free Trade Area to achieve economic integration among the African countries with the Asian partners?
I think this participation is expected to translate into tangible projects through direct follow-up and implementation of the agreement signed. So based on these agreements, I think they can start to work on different projects that we have discussed, that are related to green economy and sustainability, the automotive industry, and the green energy, and the logistics.
We are talking about a participation and a partnership that could be translated into many important vital fields like logistics, like industry, like renewable energy, like other fields of, spare parts, like maritime investment, you name it, green economy in all its levels. So how exactly can this participation be able to boost all those fields of participation?
For example, for the key benefit for industries in the Suez Canal Zone, for example, the Suez Canal Zone is located at the crossroads of major international trade routes between Asia, Africa, and Europe. This provides companies with unparalleled access to markets of 1.6 billion consumers through Egypt's various free trade agreements with regional blocs such as the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa and the European Union. Also for attractive investment incentives, industries operating with the Suez Canal Zone benefit from a comprehensive package of incentives. These include tax benefits, a reduction of up to 50% of total investment costs from net taxable profits for a period of up to 7 years, customs exemptions, machinery, equipment, and raw material imported for production are exempted from custom duties. A streamlined system imposes customs only on the foreign component of final product exported to the local Egyptian market. For the integrated infrastructure, the Suez Canal Zone provides a robust and modern infrastructure network to support industrial and logistical operations. This includes ports and logistics hubs. The zone incorporates 6 ports, including East Port Said and Ain Sukna, which are equipped with advanced terminals for various cargo types, including transshipment and bunkering service for green fuel. For the transportation network, a comprehensive network of roads, railway, and channels connects the port and the industrial zone, ensuring efficient movement of goods. Also, we have the streamlined regulatory environment. The Suez Canal Zone Authority acts as an independent body with one-stop-shop service for investors. This autonomous governance simplifies administrative procedures, minimizes delays, and facilitates rapid business setup and operations. For the focus on green economy for industries in the green sector, the Suez Canal Zone offers a particularly attractive environment with geographical features with abundant solar and wind resources, make it an ideal location for producing green hydrogen and green ammonia, catering to the growing global demand for clean fuel. For the competitive operating costs, industries in the Suez Canal Zone benefit from competitive costs for utilities, including water and energy, and access to a large scale and competitively priced labor force. The authority may also cover part of the technical training costs for Egyptian workers as a financial investment.
Right, on this note, of course, Dr. Heba Kaoud, you're a professor of economy. Thank you so much for talking to us on the Breakfast Show.